What's up, you guys? My name is Jaden and welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today, I'm gonna be showing you how this brand is actually crushing it on TikTok and how you can actually replicate this exact strategy for your brand. I'm gonna be showing you exactly what their website looks like, what kinds of ads are working, and how they actually suckered me into buying one of their products as well. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in and you're looking to scale your business on TikTok and you're looking for some brands that you can get inspiration from, then this is the perfect video for you. So be sure to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe for more weekly content. Trying to make sure I upload every single Friday for you guys, so be on the lookout for that. Let me know in the comment section what types of videos you want to see from me in the future. And without further ado, let's go ahead and hop right into my computer. All right, you guys, so hopping right into my computer. So the company that we're gonna be talking about today is called Dots. It is a dot card. Not sure if you can really see that, but pretty much it's a business card for entrepreneurs. So if you've ever been networking with somebody and you're like, hey, can I get your number? You guys are sitting there forever, typing in each other's phones. You don't need to do that with this. All you need to do is just take the card, tap it to the top of your phone. It's gonna bring up a browser. Click on the browser, and then it brings up a Linktree type of deal. If you guys have ever used Linktree, Snipfeed, or any type of link in bio service, this is pretty much what it brings up. Then you can save the contact right to your phone. It's really dope. I do want to say that this is not like a brand deal or anything like that. I legit got pretty much suckered into buying it just because of how good their ads were on TikTok. So I thought I'd go ahead and bring this review to you guys because I know it'll be extremely valuable to you. So I want to start off with the website. As you can see, this is their website, dotcards.net, and it's not the craziest website. It's really not. Like, if I was designing this website, I wouldn't make it anything like this, to be completely honest, but it gets the job done. I'm sure that this company is doing multiple 6 and 7 figures just for this brand alone. So as you can see, they have a bunch of different images and GIFs of the product and how it works. You can see this is exactly what it looks like here. So once you tap the card, it opens it up, and then you'll have this full screen here where you can just save the contact. There's also a QR code on the back as well, so you can scan that with your phone. But that's pretty much it as far as the homepage goes. But this gives you, some inspiration for your brand. So here is their shop page. This is the exact card that I bought. So that way I can show you guys the product description. Again, as you can see, that's literally all they have on here. It's a little short description, shows you how it works. I do really like this. It shows like a GIF of the card going on the back, and then it shows you exactly how it works. They also have like a portal online where you can fully customize your dot profile. So that's also really cool as well. Shows you about shipping, and they do have, a good amount of reviews here. And I could tell you firsthand that this product is amazing, and I can't wait to start, connecting with more entrepreneurs and easily being able to share my contact information. So moving on from the website, I guess I could show you this real quick. They have like a very simple FAQ page, but again, nothing crazy. On this custom part, you can actually, put custom images of like your brand on your dot card, if that's something that you want to do. But pretty much that's it. So anyways, moving on to SimilarWeb. I'm actually going to make a full tutorial on this. This might be next week's video, but this platform right here is probably the best spy tool that you can do for your competitors. This is completely different than like AdSpy, Big Spy, where you can actually look at competitors' ads. This is a platform where you can see more than just that. It is very expensive, but for those of you guys that can afford this, it's a fantastic platform. So just to give you a little bit of a sneak peek, here's the website for performance. It'll show you literally everything. Here's the dot card website. You can see how many total visits that they got this month, which is 131,676. You can see where most of their traffic is coming from. Obviously mobile, because they're running ads. Most of their traffic is coming from the United States, which you can see right here, 80%. And you can see the different marketing channels that they're using, either social, organic search, display ads, direct. It gives you so much information, which I'll go more in depth on my full tutorial. But one other little sneak peek that I want to show you guys, just because it's so valuable, is this paid landing page spot. So if you click on this, it'll bring up all the landing pages that this specific brand is running ads for. And this is very valuable, especially if you find a competitor in your niche where you want to find landing page inspiration. You could type in the website of your competitor here, and then boom, now you see all of their landing pages that they're running to, and then an estimated amount of how much they've been spending on these ads, which I don't think that's accurate at all. There's actually no way it's accurate. So a lot of their traffic is mainly going to their homepage. Not sure why they do that, but nonetheless, that's exactly what they do. So that's enough with SimilarWeb. I just wanted to show you guys that, they are getting a decent amount of traffic, and this company is definitely making money. So I do want to show you their Instagram, which I kind of showed here. Their Instagram is fantastic though. They have 96,000 followers. I'm sure they have 3 times as much as that on TikTok, which is mainly where they're running traffic from. But as you can see, they have really high quality images. This is something that you should be doing. Like especially if you're starting out and you don't have a lot of marketing dollars, you should be definitely putting a lot of your time into social. So doing things like this, taking high quality photos, having photo shoots, making videos, ordering video ads, and constantly posting organic content. This company is doing it right, which we're going to get into a little bit, which is exactly why I ended up getting suckered into buying this product, is because of how well they do their video ads. All right, so hopping into the ads, this is Big Spy. This is the ad spy tool that I like to use. Just a quick little rundown. I like to use Big Spy because you can see all the different platforms. You can see Facebook, Instagram, YouTube ads, TikTok ads, and so much more. Some of the ad platforms out there only allow you to see one. Instead of paying for a bunch of different services, I like to use Big Spy. So I've already looked up dot cards. We're going to look at their ads, and these are ads that actually I was targeted by. And these were the ones that actually made me buy the product. So I'm going to show you 3 different ads here. So I've typed in dot cards, I've selected TikTok, I've selected the past 90 days. So that way we had a good, group of ads. And then I also sorted it by the popularity. So these are the best performing ads, these ones that I'm going to show you. So here's the first one. Keep in mind before I play this, how you can go ahead and implement these types of strategies to your TikTok strategy. At the end of the day, it all comes down to your creative. I know a lot of people say that your website needs to be this or this needs to be like that, but no one's coming to your website. You're not going to be able to make the sale if you don't have a good creative, and this company is doing it right. So do keep that in mind on how you can implement this yourself. So here's the first ad.
How rich people give you their business cards versus how really rich people give you. How rich people give you their business cards versus how really rich people give you their business cards. Hey, how's it going? I'm David. Just a second here. Here's my business card. You can call me at the top here. I also have my website you can type in at the bottom. Just take this with you. Keep it safe. Don't lose it. Really important. Hey, what's up? I'm Neil. You want to tap this dot card to your phone? It'll just pull up all my socials and my links and all that. Cool. All set? Nice to meet you.
All right, so as you can see, that was an extremely good ad. It showed you how business owners usually have their business card. You have 500 different, business cards in your wallet. You're fiddling for things, and all you need is this dot card, and it makes it so seamless. So basically, they're pointing out a problem, and then they're showing you exactly how their product solves that problem. Which is what you need to be thinking about, because your products either need to solve a problem, or they need to have some type of wow factor, something where it's like, wow, I've never seen that before. That's extremely cool. Or wow, I've never seen that in stores. I have to go and purchase it. Those are the 2 different types of products that you can really, kill it when it comes to TikTok ads. All right, so here's another variation of that same exact ad. So check out this one. This one's actually really good.
As a young entrepreneur, I absolutely love networking, but I can only imagine how many of my business cards end up either lost or in the trash. So I was so excited to hear about Dot and their technology. All you have to do is tap the back of an iPhone or Android, or scan the QR code on the back, and all of the information that you want to share ends up in their browser. It's so easy and seamless to make sure you're getting that connection, and on top of that, it's sustainable. If you network at all, you absolutely need this modern networking tool. It's absolutely incredible.
All right, so that is another variation, still the same exact kind of thing, just basically said in a different type of way. This last one is also going to be catered to the second one that I just showed you. Exact same type of thing. And you don't have to rethink these types of ad guys. Like when you are creating ads for your brand, a lot of the times you just need to switch up the hook or maybe a few seconds in the video just to make it seem like it's different. Even changing the sound can help. If you don't know this already, Facebook ads, you can run the same ad for like a good month without getting ad fatigue. If you don't know what ad fatigue is basically when your ads are fatigued. Basically, the audience that you're running the ads to are kind of tired of seeing the same redundant ad. But on TikTok, you're gonna have to constantly change out. You're gonna have to constantly every week or so change out the sound, change out the hook, change the videos up. Even if it's just slightly. So keep in mind, this ad here is pretty much the exact same thing, but they just changed up a little bit at the beginning, like the title, the sound, and the people in the actual video. All right, so let me play this really quick.
What's up, y'all? It's CEO Shanti, and today I am back with another business hack, and I'm going to be showing you guys how my Dot business card works. This card is guaranteed to impress any customer and show them something that they've never seen before. So it's really easy and simple. All you do is take your Dot card, tap it on the person's phone. They will click this link right here, and your entire Dot profile will show up. They can see exactly what you do, all your social media, all of your payment information, website information, and contact information. They can even save your contact directly to their phone. Dot cards are compatible with iPhone and Androids, but just in case it doesn't work, there's also this QR code on the back that they can scan and pull up your profile. Dot cards come in multiple colors. They also have these plastic dots that you stick on the back of your phone that works the exact same way. Also have custom cards, but you have to buy at least 5 of them. Now, this does not erase business card, but this is still really cool.
All right, so now you can see, different variations of this specific ad and how they're running things. A lot of their ads are pretty much the exact same way. They hop on trends, they do different things. So keep in mind when you're creating ads for your business to run ads on TikTok, you can be creative with this. Remember, it's not just about only showing the product and what it does. It's also about getting real people, entrepreneurs. In this case, on the last video, you can see that she's actually an entrepreneur and she uses this and it really helps her. This is another way, especially when you start getting into retargeting, how you can make and convert those customers that may have seen your first ad and didn't purchase. This is exactly the type of ad that you're going to need to hit them when you do retargeting ads for them to warm up to your brand and feel more comfortable about purchasing. So don't feel, scared to branch out. Don't feel scared to try different things. This is what I love about TikTok ads is that you can literally, do so many different things and, you can run different variations of ads that necessarily, wouldn't work on other different platforms. And this is what makes TikTok, so unique. All right, you guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. I hope that you got some sort of value from that. I wanted to try something different by reviewing a company that I actually purchased from. If you want me to review other e-commerce brands out there, let me know in the comment section. Also, let me know what you guys want to see from me in the future. Drop a like, subscribe, all of that good stuff, and I will see you guys in next week's upload.